Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Kingspet Designs. If you're just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video. Hi everyone out there, you're welcome. I'm really happy today. Some of you may be surprised, why am I this happy today? Seriously, I'm very happy. The reason why behind this my happiness is actually I've just gotten my 3K subscribers on my channel today, and I'm really happy, and I want to thank each and every one of you for how you actually, because I really cannot do it on my own. It's just because of your care, your always coming to watch my video, your support that has brought me this far. I want to really appreciate each and every one of you for all the love, the hearts, the care, and also all the comments you guys have been always dropping. Seriously, it has been an encouraging one. Sometimes I don't even have video idea to even drop, but before I know what someone will actually just drop it. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You've been a great success to this channel. I sincerely want to thank each and everyone. I don't know how to express my gratitude to each and every one of you. I just wish I could see everyone so I could just thank them. Thank you all for all your support. I love you all, and I promise to always dish out the best for you, give you guys the best video for you. So I also wish I'll record this video when I gain something better than this, and probably I might even be doing a giveaway then when I get my 5,000 subscribers left. So the journey to my 5,000 subscribers starts here, and you guys are the ones that will make this happen. I just need your support. Have you always been supporting me so that to make this goal a reality. Okay, until next time, catch you in the next video. I'll be uploading very soon. Don't worry, for this week I'm going to be dropping at least 2 videos for you guys this week. Thank you. Bye for now.
Yeah.